Hey everyone! In this guide, you'll learn how to play any game using a controller on your PC. Follow the steps carefully. First, launch Steam. Click on the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Controller, then click on General Controller Settings. Here, enable all controller types that apply to your device, like PlayStation, Xbox, or generic controllers. Once you're done, close the settings. If your game isn't on Steam, click on Add a Game in the bottom left of Steam and select Add a non-Steam game. Now choose the game you want to play with a controller and click Add Selected Programs. After that, go to your Steam library and select the game you added. You should see a small controller icon next to the play button. If the icon is missing, your controller isn't being detected properly. Try unplugging and plugging it back in. Click on the controller icon. Make sure Steam Input is enabled. Then, click on the gamepad layout to configure your controls. After customizing your layout, click Apply Layout. Go back and you're ready to start playing with your controller. If it still doesn't work, consider using external tools like DS for Windows or X360 CE, depending on your controller type. They're easy to install and often fix compatibility issues. That's it. Enjoy your game.